How to apply for Temu delivery driver. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm excited to guide you through the process of applying for a position as a Temu delivery driver. In order to begin your application journey as a Temu driver, the initial step is to navigate to the Temu's official website and search for any available vacancies. Simply grab your mobile phone or device and open up a browser and type in www.temu.com/careers and hit enter in your browser. Then this will take you to the specific page like this. Upon reaching this page, keep an eye out for the option to apply for a delivery driver position. And if you spot this vacancy, you're on the right track. Alternatively, you can also submit your resume for the delivery driver role by following the instructions provided in the email address listed below. And Temu often collaborates with the renowned delivery services such as FedEx, UPS, or DHL to source their delivery drivers. If you're interested in becoming a part of Temu's delivery team, consider exploring the official website of this delivery giant to seek out job opportunities specifically tailored to the Temu's delivery services. So in conclusion, this tutorial aims to simplify the application process for aspiring Temu delivery drivers. I hope this step-by-step guide has been informative and beneficial to all of you watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.